The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences has today decided to award the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, with one half to David Baker and the other half jointly to Demis Hassabis and John Jumper, Google DeepMind, United Kingdom, for protein structure prediction.
It's 2024 and scientists just won Nobel Prize in Chemistry for solving biology's biggest puzzles. This is like getting a Nobel Prize for figuring out that how to untangle your own headphones, but on a way bigger scale.
I think I can do this.
See, these scientists didn't just solve a small problem, they cracked the code of life's molecular mysteries. And the impact of this is actually so huge that it may redefine the biology as we know it. From redesigning those life-saving drugs to actually cleaning up the environment and whatnot. This is huge and we have to discuss about this. Proteins are like those machines present in every living cell that control almost everything, from how your heart beats, to how your brain thinks, to how the pizza that you ate today got digested. But the magic of proteins lies in how they fold. See, when the proteins are formed, they are just a single chain of amino acids. Later on, they fold into complex 3D structures, and these 3D structures are very important for the function they perform. Now, why is protein folding that important? See, if proteins don't fold correctly, things can go terribly wrong. Misfolded proteins are heart of diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, or even certain type of cancers. From decades, scientists have been struggling to figure out that how a string of amino acid could fold into a 3D structure and become a functional protein. But this problem is actually so complex that it is dubbed as the protein folding problem. With countless possible configurations and those traditional methods, it took years of lab work to figure out just one protein structure. And to be very honest, figuring a protein structure is like guessing that what is your cat thinking. I mean, no one knows that. And here comes the discovery, Alphafold. This is where the real magic happens. Alphafold uses something known as deep learning, which is actually a machine learning technology where the neural networks mimics humans' ability to learn patterns. And with Alphafold 3, which is actually the latest model, scientists are no longer trying to manually figure out those structures. AI is helping them to predict those structures with high accuracy within hours. This is just like Google Map for scientists, where it does not show the traffic jams, but it shows how different molecules, may it be DNA or RNA or proteins, interact with each other in real time. And for Alphafold, this is just like solving a puzzle to find the most stable protein structure. But how does this matter to you and me? Remember that headache which you got after drinking 3 cups of coffee this morning? Maybe this could help scientists figure out that how caffeine interacts with the receptors of your brain or your brain's proteins. And maybe after some time, there would be no post-coffee headaches. By the way, we were talking about headaches. So the plastic pollution crisis? Alphafold might help scientists predict those enzymes which could help break down plastic faster. Now this is like some real problem solving. Imagine a future where the enzymes predicted by Alphafold are added to landfills or plastic dumps or even your detergents, and all these things are converted into harmless compounds. I guess we are just one step closer to that future. Alphafold is also being used to revolutionize agriculture. See, proteins control almost everything in plants, from how they respond to certain climatic conditions or how they fight off diseases. Alphafold could help researchers predict that which proteins in the plants interact with the DNA of the pests and formulate certain crops that are more resistant to diseases or pests or even certain climatic conditions such as droughts. So while you and I are still struggling to untangle our headphones, Alphafold is out there folding proteins like a pro. And with such a kind of technology, the possibilities just seem to be endless. What do you think about the same? Do let me know in the comments. And if you are an expert in this field and have some additional information about the same, do let me know in the comments too. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next video with another optimistic science and tech story. Till then, bye-bye.